truck is stuck. Poor guy. Another one, holy, right after the other. Hey, what is up, guys? It's Sarnti here. Today I am heading to get my COVID-19 PCR test in order for me to be able to fly from Canada to Australia. What a day to start this vlog, because there is snow everywhere. This is the heaviest snow we've gotten this season so far. I came out of the house this morning, it wasn't my house, my friend's house, and there was probably like 1.5 feet of snow just on the driveway, on the roads. The roads weren't even cleared yet, at least the smaller streets. So we were supposed to leave 2.5 hours before my COVID test appointment, because normally it takes about probably 1.5 hours to get there, but we spared an extra hour because we knew there was a lot of snow. So we were gonna leave at 9:30, but then we spent 30 minutes shoveling the driveway and clearing the car of snow. And then before we can even get onto the main road, we got stuck in the just a small street that we were at. And thank God, this lady out of nowhere, we were stuck beside a paint store, and and this lady happened to be going to the paint store, and she had a shovel in her car, and she was like, "Hey, you guys need a shovel?" It just came in so clutch with her shovel, and it took us probably 10 minutes to get unstuck.
We were shoveling, or Sarnti was shoveling.
Yeah, so I was shoveling, and then Joe was like driving.
With the...
Yeah, so before she came, I was shoveling. So we, you know, I don't know what it's called, the brush.
The snow brush.
The snow brush.
The little scrape.
Yeah, yeah. We were using that to try to clear the snow, and it was taking forever. It would probably taken us like 30 minutes to get unstuck. But thankfully this lady had a shovel, so it only took 10 minutes. And now we're driving on the highway, and the highway is mostly cleared, but everyone is driving super slow, which is great because we're trying to be safe. Hopefully I make it to my appointment on time. I wish I had that on video.
No.
Holy shit. Guys, we just flipped out so hard. I cannot believe what happened. We were in the leftmost lane, and we were like, why are all the cars going to the lane in the middle? Look at this open lane. So we were in the...
Hold on, I need to explain something. I'm not dumb. Like, okay.
Yeah, no, it was not your fault at all. It wasn't your fault. We were just going, and then out of nowhere we saw all of these like cars like stuck, probably like 10 vehicles stuck to the right side, right? And we were driving on the leftmost lane, so we're like, okay, we're good. You know, out of nowhere there's like a huge snowbank, a huge pile of snow that did not get cleared, and we just did like a holy 360. Like, we actually spun. Like, the snow, like, it just lifted up so hard, like I don't know, it just splashed everywhere. Like, all of our windows were covered in snow, and I thought, like, I was like, oh my god, we're gonna hit something. I don't think we would have died because we weren't going that fast, and there was snow everywhere to like cushion.
Yeah. Okay, even if I saw that snowbank, there were cars behind me on the right side of me, and if I wanted to change lanes into there, I would have to slow down.
Yeah.
But then it's hard to slow down in the snow because you're just gonna slip. So like, there was nothing we could really have done because, I don't know, it was just a weird situation.
Oh my god, I wish I had that on camera. We did a full 360 and then we ended up with the front of our car facing the right on the correct way of the road somehow. I don't, wow, we're so lucky. We actually got so lucky.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And we didn't hit anything.
We didn't hit anything, and after going through that huge snowbank, we didn't get stuck. That's incredible. Unbelievable.
Yeah, let me show you the snow, the side.
So that stuff. So normally it's just on the. Let me zoom in here. See, normally it's just on, like at the very edge of the road, right? But there was this so much snow just in the left lane for some reason. This is unbelievable. The amount of snow.
This is a major highway.
The amount of snow on the highway right now is insane. There's literally only one lane that we can drive in, and we're just following behind this truck.
Yeah, he'll clear the
My
roads
God.
for me, and like he can see what's further ahead.
Look at this car driving in the lane with all that snow overtaking the truck here. Is it an ambulance that got stuck?
No.
Oh no, that's just a. That was an ambulance. Okay, guys, let's hope we don't get stuck here. We're trying to merge onto the highway right now and another highway, and I see a lot of cars stuck.
Oh my god, what happened? Okay, I see black road, which is a good sign.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna.
Oh my god, look at all these people who are stuck.
I
That's
can't
so
even
bad
see
for
my
them.
side mirror right now, actually.
Yeah, because all the snow that splashed onto us. This is the snow. There was way more on the mirror, on the window here.
Yeah, I'm trying to merge, but I don't know.
So Joe just opened the window there. You have to go fast. Make sure you go faster. Yeah.
Okay, I'm on the black road.
Okay. We are on the black
That was
road.
hard.
Guys, look at all those cars that are just stuck. None of those cars are moving.
I think
Right
there's
there.
probably someone stuck all the way in the front.
Some sort of accident or someone got stuck, and all these cars are just
Sitting down.
sitting here. Yeah.
Oh no.
my God. So we are just driving by Toronto Pearson right now. So that's where I'm going to be flying out from. Alright guys, so it looks like we're coming to a halt here of some sort. It's our turn to get stuck now, I believe. I don't know if it's because someone is stuck or because there's an accident. We're really slowing down here. Looks like there's another car that's stuck. I've seen probably like 30 of those already.
Oh, is he helping?
Oh, someone's offering help. Look at that. Way to go, Canadians. Alright, so we're moving a little bit better now. But still very, very slow.
Poor guy, look at that.
My God. Hey guys, just an update. So my appointment is in half an hour, and it looks like it's gonna take us another hour and 40 minutes to get there. So I'm gonna be an hour late for my appointment. I did call them to confirm that it's okay for us to still go in. It's good that they're understanding. But I don't have my passport with me, and I need it for the test. So my parents, they were gonna drive from their place, which is about 40 minutes from, usually 40 minutes from where I'm supposed to get the COVID test. But they haven't left their driveway because they got stuck, because we have a long driveway, and we have a truck that plows the snow, but they couldn't lower the plow because of all the snow. It messed with, I don't know, whatever they used to lower it, so they couldn't lower it, so they couldn't plow their driveway. They tried to drive through it and they got stuck. So hopefully they can get unstuck and we can meet where I'm supposed to get my COVID test in about an hour and 40 minutes, and everything will be okay. Meanwhile, we're still moving super slowly through this traffic. We probably moved like a kilometer in the past, like, what, 20 minutes? Yeah. Guys, it is getting absolutely crazy here. We've been stuck for probably another hour since I last filmed. It started to snow again, and I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but once we get closer, there's a truck that is like
You're gonna get
perpendicular to the road. There's lots of people trying to get stuck. Look at that. The car in front of us is a little stuck now. It's trying to get through. Okay. Oh my God.
I don't want to move anymore.
This is crazy. We are moving.
I'm sweating. My hands are literally sweating.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It full on just
Oh shit.
crashed.
Like the side of it.
Yeah. Oh my God. This looks like a scene out of like an apocalyptic movie or something like that. All these cars stuck with all this snow. Oh my God. This is so scary. There's just so much snow everywhere. We're back at it again. It has been almost 5 hours since we have left. And we are, I don't even know how long until we're gonna get to our destination, but we are at a standstill once again. We have probably not moved more than 500 meters in the last hour, which is crazy. We're trying to get off the highway right now, but we're scared that if we try to change lanes, we're gonna get stuck. We'll see. We gotta wait a little bit till some of these other trucks, there's a lot of trucks here, some of these trucks move, and then we should be able to
I gotta
go.
just get enough acceleration, and then I could like probably get through like these like small piles of snow, but I don't have that acceleration because we're just sitting
in the snow. Yeah, people's Amazon packages are probably gonna be late. So guys, we made it past that little snow bank in the middle that we were hoping not to get stuck on, and we are now going off of an exit from the highway, so hopefully the main local roads will be a little bit better and we can make it. Alright, so we've been off the highway for about 15 minutes, and we're doing pretty well with the local roads. Guys, there are 3 buses just piled up here. They are just stuck. Look at that. Oh my God. Looks like we're finally through most of the traffic and the snow. And we're about 25 to 30 minutes away from the clinic where I'm supposed to get my PCR test. It's been about 6.5 hours since we left. So the total time for our trip is probably going to be about 7 hours. Yeah. Hey guys, so we're finally here. I'm at the Shoppers Drug Mart. I got my package I need to return, got my passport. That was like, how long? It's 5? That was almost 7 hours and a whole bag of Lay's ketchup later. We're finally here.
Lay's ketchup?
Yeah. I finished my COVID test. That was probably about an hour ago, maybe an hour and 20 minutes ago. We came to my house in Whitby, and me, my parents, and Josephine, we shoveled our driveway and the sidewalk. That took about an hour. Thank you so much. You're the bestest best friend in the whole world. You're amazing. Thank you for helping me shovel.
I like shoveling.
I know, but thank you regardless. Anyways, that is gonna probably be it for the vlog. What a day in Canada. Oh, it makes me a little happy. Oh my god.
Negative 14
It's
right
not.
now.
It makes me happy that I'm gonna be somewhere warm in a few days. Yeah, well that was a fun day.
Yeah.
Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Bye.
Bye.